are thinking we're gonna go hike Mt Sherman. We're about 3 miles from the trailhead and decided, oh, let's see how far we can get. Well, we didn't get real far. Turns out the snow's a bit deeper than it looks. Oh, and I just potholed down quite a bit here. There it is. So we're gonna pull out the traction boards and maybe the shovel and see if we can't get ourselves out of this. Alright, we're trying to dig it out a little bit more. Dug out all the snow behind the back tires. And we're gonna give it another go. Yeah, good thing we didn't keep going. It is, I don't know if you can see it, but I'm potholing pretty deep here. And there's a sign over here. Is it stuck? Yeah. I'm stuck. I'm knee deep. Good thing that sign's in front of me because I can text the number on it. There, but not quite.